open area headed towards Indian Springs. They're not making entry into the caller's car.
41 myself on the 14 right?
Adam 14 37. On Azalea. It's like an orange Dodge Challenger. I don't have 28 just yet. Speed's 82. Light traffic. Turn on a Hinkson. It's on 282 Zebra Lincoln. 282 Zebra Mary.
Destination is Warrior Glass.
People notify Little Rock. Put your hands up! Stop! No! No! Put your hands up! Crawl out! Put your hands up! Put your other hand up! Put your other hand up! Driver, put your other hand up! If you take off, hey, crawl out of the window! I've got a TBI. He's refusing to get out of the car. Get, hey! Driver! Okay. Hey, oh, what's going on? Ah!
Yes, sir. Shut up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why you do me like this? You didn't have to be the first person to shoot at me. No, that no one tried to shoot at you. Yeah, they did. I'm telling you. I get you the towel. Look, it's the towel of my phone.
I'm pushing around. See the thing. Over and Verbena. I've got a taser deployment 152.
I'm not running from you, sir. Hey, do check my phone.
You weren't fucking running because I was behind you for 2 miles. You're doing 80 miles an hour in the neighborhood.
Sir, when you just came, you see that white truck when you turned. Oh, sir, come on, why are you doing me like this? Damn.
You still need to cover loss?
Damn.
Negative. 10-11.
Sir, you did not see them folks. All you gotta do is answer. You can look at my phone and see, sir. I won't even try to run from y'all, sir. You ain't see them folks trying to shoot at me?
No one's trying to shoot.
Sir, you see that? I seen.
Shut up.
Oh God, where's? Come on, man. I ain't even did my car messed up. Come on, man.
Don't work from police, bro.
I was not running from you, sir.